Welcome to 1Place MySQL Server Monitoring and Log Analytics Solutions. This can be installed in AWS, Azure, GCP and OCI public cloud environments as well as in on-premise environments. As part of the deployment of this solution, you need to install 1Place software stack. This is what we will be explaining in following section. Step 1. Log in. Begin by logging into the application using your provided credentials. Step 2. As soon as you will log in, you need to access the menu bar on your left side and then select for Install Monitoring Stack. Step 4. Select target servers and applications from the list of applications. Use the drop-downs to choose target servers. Once you submit the request, the installation starts. If any of these software are already installed, then it will bypass the installation of specific product and will proceed to next one. Once the product is installed, you can click on Summary button, which will give you a summary of the installation completed. It will show you version of the product installed, status and location where it is installed on the server. Now, we can proceed to installation and configuration part of the MySQL Windows exporter. Step 1. Download the binary for your operating system. Alternatively, you can download it directly to your server by running the command. Once downloaded, extract the file. Step 3. Move the MySQL exporter binary to a directory in your path, like user, local, bin. Step 3. Move the MySQL exporter binary to a directory in your path, like user, local, bin. For security, create a my.cnf file to store your credentials, saving it in, etc. MySQL_exporter.cnf. Secure this file by setting the appropriate permissions, by running MySQL exporter. Adjust the target as needed, and restart Prometheus to apply the changes. Now restart the Windows exporter and check for the status is active running. Now let's integrate Grafana with Prometheus data source. Open Grafana by navigating to http://localhost port 3000. Use the configured login credentials to log in to Grafana homepage. Go to Configuration, select Data Sources, then add Data Source and search for Prometheus. And enter the URL where Prometheus is running, typically http://localhost port 9090. Click Save and Test to verify the connection. In Grafana Dashboard, click New, Import and upload the MySQL JSON file, and click Import. Now, you can see the interactive dashboard, where you can customize and visualize data to suit your specific requirements. Let's go to the process of setting up a file beat for MySQL Server Monitoring. Step 1. Download the file beat RPM. Install FileBeat and verify the available modules. Step 2. Enable the MySQL module. Navigate to the FileB directory and enable the MySQL module. Step 3. To configure MySQL logs paths, open the mysql.iml configuration file. Update the configuration to specify your MySQL log file paths. Save and exit the file. Step 5. To configure FileB, open the FileB configuration file. Add the connection details for Elasticsearch and Kibana. Save the changes and close the file. Step 6. To set up FileB, navigate to the FileB directory. Run the setup command to configure FileB. Step 7. Start the FileB service and check the service status to ensure it's active and running. Step 8. With those configurations, log in to Elasticsearch web interface and provide a given credentials. Step 9. On the left panel, navigate to Dashboard. Search for the dashboard named FileB MySQL Overview ECS. Here, you can explore and visualize your MySQL logs. Hope you had a good MySQL monitoring experience. You can use our product for a trial of 7 days. For any assistance, please contact us. Thank you for watching how to install and configure 1Place monitoring system.